Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is boiled ham the same as cooked ham? An uncooked ham requires more preparation time and cooking time than a partially or fully cooked ham. Boiled ham. A ham that has been boned, cured and fully cooked using a process that includes boiling the ham in water. It is ready to serve as sliced ham or ham pieces. Why do they add water to ham? A ham that says, water added, 15%, means it weighs 15% more than its raw weight. Ham and water product. Most producers of this lowest grade pump as much water as they can into the ham, which adds weight and allows them to sell it at a lower price. Why is my ham tough? Osmosis draws salt and the other curing ingredients into the muscle cells of the pork, where it causes the protein molecules to contract. This is why an uncooked ham has a firmer texture than raw pork roast. Because it's dense, ham requires long, slow cooking to become perfectly tender.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.